Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you're here. Today, I'm going to be taking you inside our playroom and giving you a tour of how we have things set up and sharing with you why we have things set up the way that we do. I'm so excited to share this with you. It's something I am just really passionate about. I've spent a lot of time and been really intentional about the layout of this space and made sure that we are implementing the Montessori method in this space as well. If you aren't sure what the Montessori method is, or it's something that you're new to, I'm gonna link one of my previous videos up in a card at the top of this video, where I go really in depth into the Montessori method itself and other ways that we implement it in our home. Now, our home is really small, so we decided to take advantage of some extra space that we had in our basement, so that's where our playroom is located, but I'm so happy with how it came out. Our son is 2 years old. He just turned 2 at the beginning of September, and this playroom has been being used for since just before Christmas of last year, so not quite a full year, but we are so in love with this space. It's super functional and it's just a great place to hang out. We really enjoy it. So without further ado, let's head down to the playroom. As you will see in this video, everything is decorated for a birthday. My son just turned 2 and I change out the decoration theme each month. This month it was a birthday. So moving on to the kitchen, this kitchen is amazing. I love the aesthetic. It is from Target, from the Hearth and Hand collection. Let's zoom in here to the top. This welcome sign is from Target. The happy birthday sign is from Party City. The bowls are from Target. The toaster, I'm not 100% sure. I love the lights that I installed above the sink, in the fridge, and the microwave. I got them off Amazon and I feel like they just add a really nice touch. All of the food and condiments in the fridge are from Melissa & Doug. I love the Melissa & Doug brand. Their quality is really, really good and their prices are really affordable. Now to the left of the kitchen, we have a basket of the Mega Blocks. My son loves playing with these. They're great for open-ended play. You can build anything your heart desires. Here we have the alphabet. These are watercolor fabric stickers. They're from a shop on Etsy. I'll link down below. And then we have this awesome table my uncle actually built for me and my siblings when we were little, and my dad had refinished it, and I think it looks so great. Super important to have child-sized furniture in their space because it allows them to be independent. We have our puzzles on this table along with our sensory bin, which we love, Young, Wild, and Friedman. We also have a couple Play-Doh and then another type of puzzle. These are little pegs and they only fit in one hole, so they're self-correcting, which is a huge part of Montessori. So this is our puzzle station. This is his little reading nook, which we really, really love. It has this little child-sized chair from Ikea, which is perfect. All of the books are forward-facing and on shelves that he can reach. This really allows him to see the front of the book to determine which book he wants to read. And then you will see down in the basket here are some different silks and ribbons. They're just great for sensory play, and I felt like this was a really good spot for them. These Sarah silks are such amazing quality. Moving on to the other side of the playroom, this is the setup that we have. As you can see, really simple and minimal. So this is our nugget. It's actually a couch, but it's also great for open-ended play. We also have our Kinderfeet's balance board as well. These two items go hand in hand. There's so many things that you can do with them. They're so functional. I highly, highly recommend. They have just held up really well in the last year that we've had them, and we love them. It's one of the first things that my son grabs in the mornings when he goes downstairs. This is a 6-cube organizer. I love using this to display our toys. It just keeps things really simple, and we keep one activity per shelf. This is the pop-up toy. My son loves playing with that. Next we have Peg People, Peg Animals. These I actually got off of Amazon, the Peg People, and painted them myself. Then we have this tool tray. He got this for his birthday. And we have this coin box. Really awesome. He can put the coins on top and pull out the drawer to retrieve them. This is great for fine motor skills. And then we have a car track, because what child doesn't love a car track? You just put the little cars on and down the track they go. And then the last item that we have out right now is this Grimm's lacing toy. He can put the bobbins, match up the colors, and then it also comes with a wood needle that he can thread them on. So this is our setup. Again, having toys openly displayed just shows that we care for them. And then this is our Pickler triangle. This is an awesome, awesome toy. Super great for open-ended play. As you can see, it's currently a balloon corral, but it's also great for climbing. And this is the overall view of our space. Floor space is super important when it comes to Montessori, to allow your child to really stretch out and to have a work space where they can bring toys or puzzles to play without feeling crammed. So love having an open space. So that wraps up today's video. I hope that you found this information helpful and that you were able to take away some different ideas to implement in your own playroom. I would love to hear any comments that you have below, and if you enjoyed this content, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. But until next time, I will see you very soon. Bye.